Everything big, oh you fancy, huh?
Let me see your hands. Wave them at them bitches hating on you with their friends. Girl, you got it.
So this is the house. And instead of you needing a key, just enter the code and voila, you open. So this is the kitchen area, and you can see the outside of the house. That's our rental car. So it's super cute. And that's the TV area, the living room. And this is the area for the washer and dryer. It's also a full second bathroom. I forgot to show it. Okay, so I'm gonna take y'all outside. Ooh. How you open it? Oh. Okay, so this is the outdoor area. And this is our private pool. So gorgeous. They could have cleaned that pool a little better than that, but we did contact the owner and told him to come clean the pool, and they did the next morning. That's cute. You can see the pool out there too. Okay, so these are the stairs. So beautiful. And it's the balcony. Okay, so not much of a view, but there is a beach in walking distance. I love that. The outside is cute. Full-size mirror, love that. And you have the bathroom, his and hers. Oh, and this is the shower. I love that. The rain head shower. Oh, and this is the, oh, they got a motherfucking bird over here. But yeah. But yeah, that's super cute. And they have the stuff for us to hang our stuff up, storage. Oh, and it's the bathroom. I like that. So that's the end of the house tour. Stay tuned for part 2 for the trip.
Baby girl, you are so pretty, 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 pretty. Baby girl, you are so pretty, 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 pretty.